Douglas in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, western Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Denver County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Jefferson County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour. Wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Littleton around 2:30 p.m. Highlands Ranch, Roxborough Park, and Chatfield Reservoir around 2:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include southwestern Centennial, Louviers, Lone Tree, northern Castle Pines, and western Parker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been...
I knew it. They were gonna suspend it. Oh, why isn't this thing going off? Oh, I don't have it on. Love when it's always when I'm trying to do something, except this is the worst time because I'm trying to watch something. I'm trying to watch something on my VCR. And you go off right now? Probably definitely gonna be more.